Hey there, I'm Paul Hansen, and boy, I've got a story to share with you. So, if you'll picture this, I've been living the California dream now for nearly half a century. It's hard for me to believe. Anyway, but let me tell you, my journey here has been anything but ordinary. You see, I used to be knee deep in the real estate and mortgage world, where I was a broker owner. But back in 2011, I made a bold move. I shut down my office and I said goodbye to the corporate grind. I just wasn't feeling the whole, brick and mortar scene or corporate world anymore. So if you rewind a little bit, you'll find a younger version of me where I was hustling the network marketing game. And I was doing very well at it. Some might say I was crushing it. So when I found myself at the crossroads in 2011, I knew I wanted to tap back into that kind of entrepreneurial solo spirit, if you will. But here's the kicker. I wanted something different. I wanted something I could own, not just, in the network marketing game, I was working for someone else. Really, I was working under another corporation. So I wanted something flexible, something that didn't tie me down to a physical location or a team of employees. That was a big deal for me. So enter the world of affiliate marketing. Now, let me tell you, diving into this space was like entering a jungle without a map. I tried everything from buying courses to downloading apps, but nothing seemed to click. And let me tell you, it cost me a pretty penny. But then, just when I was about to throw in the towel, fate intervened. I stumbled upon the 4% group and its affiliate business system. And let me tell you, it was a game changer. Suddenly, all the pieces fell into place, like I had found the missing link to my success. And really what I loved the most, it wasn't some tech-heavy or jargon-filled nightmare. No, it was really simple, step-by-step process that even a non-techie like me could master. No, I built my entire hub in just a couple of days. It was like painting by numbers, effortless and foolproof. And that's the beauty of the affiliate business system. And yes, it brought me sales. It's for everyone, no matter your age or background. So here's the scoop. If you're itching to kickstart or supercharge your online business, this is the real deal. Trust me. If a guy like me can do it at my age, anyone can. You can make your mark in the digital world. Trust me. Get it.